author suggested, well, maybe you should just use them for repetitive, categorical type of tasks and things like that. And while there's certainly a case to be made for that, to me that almost sounds like giving up, like your team's giving up, like your whole enterprise is giving up, where you're just using your algorithms for those types of basic things. You'll certainly still benefit from covering some of those tasks, but that doesn't. But I still think you can use algorithms for some of the larger tasks. What I really think that this speaks to, what I really would have liked the author to kind of explore a little bit more, is that a lot of the issues around accuracy or just overall model performance really comes down to the methodology that the team is following. So many teams are really lacking proper methodology out there. And that's really where I see the most benefit in terms of taking a middling performing model to a model that can, really generate some top results. I think that a lot of teams, both from the beginning and during their development process, kind of abandon the scientific method, and really that's what data science is. We're supposed to be applying the scientific method to data. That's essentially what data science is. We're supposed to be conducting experiments and trying different things and doing grid searches, and really maintaining an open mind to what the answers could be within the model. Kind of removing that bias of what you think the answer is to actually finding what the answer is. So I think that I would have liked to have seen the article explore that a little bit more, because I think more teams in data science need to do that, where they need to say, okay, well, if we don't have a great model, then it's on us. It's on us because of our methodology. It's so easy to blame the stakeholders or blame the lack of data or this and that. But how many models did you actually test? How many hyperparameters did you test? Did you keep an open mind free of domain bias or other things, that can affect a model? Did you write fresh brand new code, or did you just reuse a model that you're comfortable with? Data scientists tend to do that. We tend to zero in on some models that we're just comfortable with. That's not great. That's not a really good way to find a proper champion model, right? So that's where I would like to see most teams go when, maybe one model or maybe a team has a poor history of model performance, where it's not the data, it's not the model, it's sometimes it's the methodology, the process that you're following to get to an answer.